Okay, so today we are testing something different than OB2 scanner, and this is this ANCEL Supercharger. So this is something like booster to start. You can attach this to your battery, and then this booster, ANCEL Super Booster, it will be charging from your battery. So then if you need little boost, you cannot start car, you can use this booster and you can control it directly from the app. So I don't have to go in the back, press any buttons. I already set this up. It is just sitting in my trunk and it's just two cables. So you just connect positive and negative cable to your battery and that's it. They will also give you zip ties so you can find some secure place for this super booster or super starter. So right now, check this out. It tells me I have low battery. We have about 10 volts, which probably is not enough to start. I am hoping we cannot start, so we can test out this Superstarter. So let's try it. Oh shit. Okay, we still have too much battery. So we can do little procedure to drain our battery. I'm not even sure how we are able to start with 9 volts. Because this 11 volts, this is voltage of this booster, is not voltage of my battery. And now, yes, I have this booster connected, but to boost, when you are starting, you need to hit this button for start. So now it shouldn't be helping, I think. Battery voltage is below 11 volts, it is recommended to use for start. No shit, but I want to show you that car doesn't start before I try this Superstarter. Okay, so while we are waiting for my battery to drain a little bit, let me also turn on headlights, of course. We can check out what you can see in this app. So, settings. Wait, now I have starter on. Does this mean it is helping? What if I turn it off? Let's try now. Oh, okay. Okay, so you probably don't even have to do this first start. But I had my starter, it is kind of working automatically, so that's why I was able to start, I guess. Okay, so right now I cannot start. Okay, so it is working automatically. See, if I turn it off. Now with starter turned off. See, nothing. And let me just leave it off and we can do... Okay, I cannot do force start now. For that it must be on. Yes, now I can press this button, but with starter on, I think I will already be able to start. Yeah. Okay, so you don't even have to press this force start. You just have to have it enabled in settings and it will help you start. And then if you like to watch this, it is saving a lot of data about your voltage, state of charge. So you can also check this data, but I don't imagine why. But you can also do, for example, you can do notifications when your battery gets low. But of course it will work only for Bluetooth range, so if you leave your car and you go home, you probably will not get notification. But still, pretty useful device. You don't have to think about it, just install it once, enable this starter in settings, and then it can help you start if you have shitty battery like me. Now, if you want to read more about this or buy it, I will put link to buy in description.